Imagine this. You're sipping a coconut under the shade of a palm tree, your laptop open, and you're crushing your to-do list while the ocean waves gently lap the shore. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it can be your reality. Stick around because we're about to spill the secrets to thriving as a remote worker while globe-trotting, complete with the best apps, tools, and tips to keep you productive and stress-free. But hey, don't leave early. You might miss the app that could save you hours of headaches. Working remotely while traveling isn't just about finding Wi-Fi. It's about striking that perfect balance between productivity and exploring your dream destinations. Whether you're managing a team or running your freelance empire, the right tools can make all the difference. Oh, and don't worry, we'll keep it simple. No complicated tech jargon, no boring lectures, and definitely no Excel sheet tutorials. First up, let's talk productivity apps. Notion. Think of this as your digital Swiss Army knife. It's perfect for planning projects, tracking travel itineraries, or just pretending to be super organized when your boss asks. Slack or Microsoft Teams, for staying in touch with your team without sending another, "Hey, just checking in" email. Zoom, love it or hate it, Zoom meetings don't stop just because you're in Bali. Just don't be that person with a blurry beach background and a bad connection. Now, onto travel-specific apps, XE Currency Converter. So you don't accidentally pay $200 for a $20 lunch. Google Translate, a lifesaver for navigating menus, signs, and even awkward conversations. Wi-Fi Map, a crowdsourced app to find free Wi-Fi anywhere in the world. Because let's face it, sometimes Starbucks is the office. You've got the apps, but let's talk hardware. Portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Think of it as your digital lifeline. Devices like SkyRoam or GlocalMe ensure you're always connected, even in the middle of nowhere. Noise-canceling headphones, whether you're dodging crying babies on a flight or street performers in a piazza, these are a game changer. Power bank. Because there's nothing worse than your laptop dying in the middle of a client call. Trust me, your "I'm so sorry" email won't save you. All right, here are some pro tips to tie it all together. Time zones are tricky. Use tools like World Time Buddy to schedule meetings without waking up at 3 a.m., unless you're a morning person, in which case, who hurt you? Co-working spaces are gold. Not only do they provide reliable Wi-Fi and coffee, but you might also make a friend, or at least find someone to complain about deadlines with. Establish boundaries. It's easy to blur work and travel time. Set clear hours for both, or you'll end up answering emails in the middle of Machu Picchu. Pack smart. Don't overpack tech gear. Think essentials, not "I might need this someday." Trust me, your back will thank you. Back up everything. Invest in cloud storage. Nothing ruins a trip like losing your work because your laptop decided to take a coffee bath. Let's be real. You didn't start traveling just to stare at a screen in a different country. Prioritize your work, but don't forget to live. Go see the sights, try the street food, and take 1,000 photos. Because at the end of the day, the beauty of working remotely is the freedom to experience the world while crushing your goals. Now that you're armed with apps, tools, and tips, you're ready to hit the road and make the world your office. But before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite remote work hack or app. Who knows, we might feature it in our next video. And hey, if you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on more travel smart tech tips. Atlas IQ, where innovation meets exploration. Until next time, safe travels and happy working.